Hi there, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to share with you some exciting coupon codes and promo codes of Cebu Pacific. First you have to go to WorthPenny website or search this URL cebupacific.worthpenny.com/coupons, and in this website you will find exciting promo codes and coupons of Cebu Pacific. Here you can see it's now most updated, and it's updated recently, you can see. And the code here, you just need to select click on this show code and you will find the code revealed. Just click on copy button to copy the code, and you can click on shop button to redirect it to the Cebu Pacific online shop. And you can see it is tourist based deal. It will update the day by day offers that provided by Cebu Pacific, and you can get most updated and recent promo codes and offers that available on Cebu Pacific. Now the second website is coupons.replus.com, and you just need to search for coupons.replus.com slash Cebu Pacific coupons slash, and you will find this page. And in this page you will find some interesting deals and offers of Cebu Pacific. From here you can see various type of deals available here. You can just simply click on view deals and you will get the link embedded with this go to store, and you can just click on it and you can find the uh, promo codes, the offers that related to the promo code. Now the last website is tenorteam.com. You just need to search for Cebu Pacific slash tenorteam.com slash coupons, and you will find this website. And in this website you will find some interesting promo codes also available in this page. And you just need to click on get code button as like the other ones, and you will get the code and simply click on copy to copy the code here. And you can see it's about $30 discount offer. You can redeem this offer by entering this promo code in Cebu Pacific. Now you can try one by one all of these codes in Cebu Pacific, and hopefully it work. Now if you found this video helpful, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.